today I wanted to show you how to make no bake cheesecake using no cream cheese. I saw it on TV and thought it is very healthy and nice, so I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. As you can tell from the ingredients, it is not that rich. So maybe this recipe is for those who are on diet or who can't consume cream cheese. So first you want to process Kinugoshi-dofu, silken tofu, in a blender. If your blender won't process like mine, you want to add a bit of yogurt out from the amount you're going to be adding later. Then transfer to a bowl and add the rest of the yogurt. By the way, you don't want to put all of the yogurt in a blender because it's going to be really watery. Now add sugar and lemon juice. Then mix well. Pour it into small cups or bowls. You can't really divide it later, so you wanted to do it now. Cool in the fridge to set. It firms up a little bit. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.結構ね、冷蔵庫に入れるとチーズケーキっぽく表面も固まります。クッキーをね入れたのがこういい感じにコクをプラスして美味しいんじゃないかなと思います。なのでいただきたいと思います。豆腐がヨーグルトのね酸味を程よく滑らかにしてくれるので、なんか多分だからチーズケーキみたいなまろやかな味がするんじゃないかなと思いますね。やっぱねチーズケーキに比べると固まってないけどね、これなんかゼラチンとかで固めたらもっとチーズケーキっぽくなるんじゃないかなと思うけど、ゼラチンも使いたくないって人にはいいんじゃないかなと思いますね。ヘルシーだし、ぜひ作ってみてください。